Welcome to the world of black tea. With over 75% of all tea consumed globally being black tea, let's dive into its rich flavors, health benefits, and how you can brew the perfect cup. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ibrahim, and today we're diving into the wonderful world of black tea. Whether you're a tea enthusiast or just curious about this popular beverage, you're in the right place. So, grab your favorite mug, and let's get started. First off, what exactly is black tea? Black tea is one of the most popular types of tea in the world. It's made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, just like green tea and oolong tea. The key difference? Black tea leaves are fully oxidized, which gives them that rich, bold flavor and dark color. Did you know that black tea accounts for about 75% of the world's tea consumption? It's enjoyed in various cultures, from the classic English breakfast to the refreshing iced tea in the southern United States. Now, let's talk about the health benefits of black tea. There are quite a few reasons to sip on this delicious drink. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Black tea is packed with antioxidants, which help combat free radicals in the body. This can lead to better overall health and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 2. Heart health. Studies suggest that regular consumption of black tea may improve heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and improving blood vessel function. 3. Boosts mental alertness. The caffeine content in black tea can help improve focus and mental alertness. It's a great alternative to coffee if you're looking for a gentler caffeine boost. 4. Supports digestion. Black tea can aid digestion and may help reduce the risk of gastrointestinal issues. Next up, let's explore some popular types of black tea. Each variety has its unique flavor profile and characteristics. 1. Assam. Originating from India, Assam tea is known for its bold, malty flavor. It's perfect for breakfast blends and pairs wonderfully with milk. 2. Darjeeling. Often referred to as the champagne of teas, Darjeeling has a delicate, floral aroma and a light, musky flavor. It's best enjoyed without milk to appreciate its nuances. 3. Ceylon. Hailing from Sri Lanka, Ceylon tea is bright and citrusy, making it a refreshing choice. It's versatile and can be enjoyed hot or iced. 4. Earl Grey. This is a flavored black tea infused with bergamot oil, giving it a unique citrusy taste. It's a favorite for many tea drinkers and can be enjoyed with or without milk. Now that we know about the different types of black tea, let's talk about how to brew the perfect cup. 1. Choose quality tea. Start with high-quality loose leaf or tea bags. Freshness matters. 2. Water temperature. Use water that's just off the boil, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 93 degrees Celsius. This helps extract the full flavor from the leaves. 3. Steeping time. Steep your black tea for 3 to 5 minutes. The longer you steep, but be careful not to overdo it, or it may become bitter. 4. Additions. Feel free to add milk, sugar, or lemon to taste. Experiment to find your perfect combination. Before we wrap up, here are some fun facts about black tea that you might not know. 1. Cultural significance. In many cultures, black tea is more than just a drink. It's a ritual. For example, in England, afternoon tea is a cherished tradition, while in China, tea ceremonies are a way to connect with others. 2. Tea versus coffee. Did you know that black tea has less caffeine than coffee? A typical cup of black tea contains about 40 to 70 milligrams of caffeine, while a cup of coffee can have around 95 milligrams or more. 3. Health benefits. Research has shown that black tea may help reduce the risk of stroke and heart disease, thanks to its flavonoid content. 4. Global popularity. Black tea is the most consumed type of tea worldwide, with countries like China, India, and Turkey leading in production and consumption. And there you have it. Black tea is not just a delicious beverage. It's packed with health benefits and rich in culture. I hope you learned something new today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more content, and let me know in the comments your favorite way to enjoy black tea. Thanks for watching, and until next time, Keep sipping and stay curious.